Welcome to Gear Grinders. In today's video, we're taking a look at the exciting 2025 Hero Xpulse 200, a bike that promises to deliver even more thrills for adventure lovers. Let's dive into what makes this upgraded version stand out. Design and features. The 2025 Xpulse 200 boasts a refreshed and more aggressive design. Hero has sharpened the lines and given the bike a modern, rugged look, while staying true to its adventure bike roots. It still has the long travel suspension and high ground clearance that make it perfect for off-road adventures. The updated LED headlamps and new graphics give it a fresh appearance that stands out in the crowd. The updated instrument cluster is now digital, providing better visibility and more data, including trip information and fuel efficiency stats. Engine and performance. At the core of the 2025 Xpulse 200 is the same 199.6cc engine, but Hero has made improvements to the engine for a smoother, more responsive ride. The single-cylinder, oil-cooled engine now offers improved torque delivery, making it ideal for both urban commutes and challenging off-road terrains. Whether you're riding through city traffic or venturing on a trail, the Xpulse 200 delivers a refined performance that gives you the confidence to tackle various riding conditions. Technology and upgrades. Hero has incorporated a number of technological upgrades for the 2025 Xpulse 200. The new Bluetooth connectivity feature allows riders to sync their smartphones, giving easy access to navigation and notifications. The ABS system has been enhanced to offer better control, especially when riding off-road, ensuring you can tackle tough terrain with confidence. Plus, the redesigned seat promises improved comfort, making long rides much more enjoyable. Conclusion. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is a fantastic blend of power, technology, and design. With its improved engine performance, better off-road capabilities, and sleek new design, it continues to be a top contender in the dual sport motorcycle segment. Whether you're exploring trails or commuting, the Xpulse 200 is built for the adventure ahead. Let us know your thoughts on this upgraded version in the comments below. Thanks for watching Gear Grinders. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest bikes and gear.